Walrus Operator in 4 mouse clicks. Now, this is some code which opens a text file, reads the lines, and it looks for a digit. If there's a digit, it prints the digits. Okay, so the bit we want to turn into the Walrus Operator is here. So where I've got my mouse now, I'm going to select all that, one click. Copy it. Now, paste it. If digits, colon, put that same line in, put colon there, click there. That's it. So that is what you need to do to turn your old code into the Walrus Operator version. What you're doing really is you're merging a variable and you're substituting that variable into a conditional statement. So if I run it, 360, and where does the 360 come from? It's the digits here. So there we go, 4 mouse clicks.